So we're
Should we
during
use our
the
shuriken? Oh god, he's sitting on me. Jesus, get off.
we're during the slime rain event, and the king slime just spawned. So we're freaking
Oh,
out
he
right
can't
now.
jump up here. Just get like a. I can shoot it with my freaking pipe blower. Oh shit! Fuck.
Yeah, don't waste the shurikens though. Yeah, I can just stay right. Oh my god, he can teleport. He has a ridiculous amount of health. This was not a good time for this to happen.
Oh, but it's a great recording.
Yeah, I'm recording, so. I got some copper ore out of that one. Ooh, another pinky.
There's a guy inside him.
Yeah, he gets, you get ninja cosmetic armor from... Get good! Get good! I don't want to die! Nope. And I died. Oh, he's up in the house now. That's great. We were definitely not prepared for this. Oh, look, the traveling merchant. Maybe I can get a gi.
Looks like we can make ourselves a nice.
And I just died again.
We can make ourselves a nice headstone collection.
Oh wow, the traveling merchant just like blasted his face off. He has a gun. Why does it take so long to respawn? Lead him away so I can respawn. I really want to kill Pinky again because she gives like ridiculous amount of money.
The traveling merchant's about to die though, so.
I'm trying to get over to him to buy whatever he has before he does. And of course he died. Right as I was fucking clicking on him. And then I died. The slime oh, we're both dead. The slime, king slime. Oh no, just kidding. He didn't despawn. Go grab the money. It's like 4 gold. You didn't grab it all. It's still laying there.
Yeah, I didn't pick up.
If the nurse wasn't so fucking high up there.
He wouldn't be so bad if we weren't surrounded by little slime.
He wouldn't be so bad if we had decent weapons. We're just not doing enough damage to him. That's the problem. I have 2 iron skin potions. Maybe if I take one, it'll... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get the gold. Ooh, I've got an idea. If I would spawn, I'm gonna make a line of wood that we can hang on to from the bottom because he won't be able to get us from the top.
But he teleports. It doesn't make a difference.
He'll teleport above us or he'll teleport below us and fall down.
These slimes are actually really helping. I'm getting like ridiculous amounts of good potions, so. Problem is, I'm wasting all my health potions on this
See, he can't
instead of
jump
the
high.
eye. You got my gold.
Ah, damn it, I didn't get all the way down.
I'm pretty sure he still teleports up to us even if we're hanging.
I think I need to stick with my higher line instead of this one.
Yeah, this one up top.
I just need to get it out further, because he's close enough where he can hit us from inside the house.
This is really cheap, but who cares? We really need to kill this guy because he's eating up so much time.
It works.
Slime has stopped falling from the
Oh
sky.
my gosh, I have a good idea.
Don't waste shurikens. You're not even hurting him.
Are they not hitting him?
No, but my arrows are like murdering him though. It's like slowly taking his health down. I have like fucking
I only
200.
have like 73 pellets left for my full gun.
I have plenty of arrows. $200. Yeah. Oh, and he gave us the slime mount too. Oh no, he didn't.
Look at my bomb hole.
Yeah. We need
So
to
what
put
do you
some
give
wood.
us?
I got ninja pants and the slime gun. I can shoot you with slime now. And the solidifier, which makes gel into blocks.
We can make gel furniture.
I really don't like. We have all these banners.
I think we should take down all these headstones.
You should clean up. We need to run around and collect all the stray items is what we need to do. I got 7 gold just from that though. And almost 500 gel. Do you want the ninja pants?
I have those shadow greaves, remember?
Oh. 10% increased critical strike to throwing items. I'll just sell them. I don't want them either. I'm gonna take down all the banners so we can put them in a better place. I really wish the traveling merchant hadn't died because he could have had that gi for me again, or the katana.
I bought a key.
Well, with that, guys, we survived the slime rain. We killed the king slime, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this until we get to another video. Our plan is right now to farm the Eye of Cthulhu, and I'll record that fight for you guys. We're going to get some demonite swords and pickaxes, so stay tuned for more Terraria with friends.